If you want to use HyperOS stock ROM but still want to enjoy features from a custom ROM like customizations, game spoofing, and unlimited Google Photo storage, then this video is for you. Welcome to HyperZK.
The Virax TV.
To start with, power off your device and boot to fast boot mode by simultaneously pressing volume down and power buttons until the fast boot logo appears. Now connect your device to your computer via USB cable. You need to download the HyperZK Fastboot ROM and extract it on your computer. Once extracted, run the bat file as admin, then type Y to proceed flashing. Flashing may take a while, so relax and grab your coffee. Once flashing is done, the prompt box will auto-close. Just reboot to the system by holding volume up and power button simultaneously. Set up your device as usual. Now you have successfully flashed the HyperZK. Here's a quick preview of the ROM. If this video guide helps you, please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe for more video guide. Cheers!